how to insert a YouTube video in Google Slides. It's pretty simple to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have this basic Google slide presentation right here. And let's say we want to add a YouTube video into this slide. So what we can do is I'm going to come over to my YouTube channel. You can use any video you want for this example, but I'm just going to select one of my videos here. Then I'm going to select the URL up at the top, and we're going to go ahead and copy that. Now we're going to come back to our slide here. We're going to go to the top left where it says insert, and then we're going to insert a video right here. Then in the search bar at the top, we're going to paste in that URL that we just copied and then hit enter. We can see that video that we just copied right here. If we go ahead and click on it and then click on where it says insert, now it's going to insert that video into our slide. Now let's say we wanted to take up more room. If we can go ahead and adjust the corners right here to make the video bigger and take up the entire area of our slide. And also, instead of going to YouTube, you can also go to insert video. You can go back and you can actually just search for YouTube videos directly into the search box as well. So if you want to just search for something real quick, you can just do so in here, and then it's the same process in order to actually insert the video onto the slide. So that's how you can insert a YouTube video into your Google Slides.